The creation of the Rafale's close-coupled canards demands extreme precision. Utilizing advanced robotics, high-grade a heavy-duty robotic arm carefully lifts the aerospace-grade titanium ingot. The powerful arm Once cleared by the air shower, technicians retrieve the pre-preg sheets, initiating Process A for the lightweight composite structure. Meticulous setup protocols are essential before the high-speed milling process can begin.
The transparent vacuum film is smoothed over the composite layers, ensuring an airtight seal. Confirming seal integrity.
Sensors are green. We are ready to proceed.
Run the caliper check on section 3.
Tolerances are nominal, Supervisor.
Very good. The part is sound. Okay, easy now. Watch the starboard side clearance. Lasers show we are perfectly centered. Go ahead and set it down.
Here we see the conclusive stage of Process A, as the Rafale canard is secured for transport to the integration zone.
Here is the final documentation for the Process A handover. Everything is green.
Excellent. We'll proceed with the titanium 6L4V components. The internal tolerances on the titanium are extremely precise.
Agreed. The fluid pathways look optimized. We are ready for manufacturing. Alignment is holding steady.
And we have positive confirmation on the AR overlay. All points verified. The specialized vacuum furnace begins the controlled heat treatment process for the titanium 6Al4V alloy components. The two halves of the titanium alloy actuator housing are carefully aligned and bolted together using specialized high-strength.
Packaging clear. Engaging the gantry now. Copy that. Watch the alignment guide.
Using a high-intensity lamp, the quality inspector examines the Rafale's canard. Approved.
Don't pull too tight on that tape.
Right, just enough to hold it for shipping.
bring it down another 5 millimeters.
Alignment looks good on this side. Ready for the bolts.
The critical fastening process ensures the durable connection, preparing the canard to withstand immense G-forces during high-speed maneuvering.
Manifest and authorization codes confirmed. Proceed to Hangar 7.
Canard sweep, initiate cycle.
Cycle complete. Parameters are nominal.
Roger that.
Torque wrench indicates green, alignment confirmed.
Diagnostics are nominal. We are clear for Radome installation.
The responsiveness during the high G maneuvers was exceptional. Absolutely precise control.
That confirms the actuator validation.
Excellent.